everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to maintain your Yeedi M14 Plus station. If you're interested in the M14 Plus or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So on the station itself, we'll just start at the very top. We have our clearly labeled clean and dirty water tanks. They're both removable. Inside, every once in a while you might want to wipe this down and make sure that these three holes are free from any debris or obstructions. Moving on to the tanks, starting with the clean water tank, nothing to do here, but every once in a while, if you would want to, you could clean this tank out, give it a nice deep and thorough clean. And for the dirty water tank, you'll want to periodically clean this out to prevent any odor and slime or residue buildup down at the bottom of the tank. So keep an eye on this. Ideally after every clean, every couple of cleans, you'll want to get this empty, nice and clean. I also recommend leaving a little bit of mouthwash in here just to help keep that water fresher so it's not going to build up any terrible odor or bacteria. Moving down the station now at the center, we have our Yeedi branded cover, and we could just gently pull this away, revealing our vacuum bag. So very easy to replace the vacuum bag, put a new one in. You'll also notice we have a filter in here, so we can gently remove this filter and you can wash and rinse that out. Check for any obstructions or debris in there. And then you can reattach that filter. You can check in the vacuum channel here for any debris or buildup, wipe down as needed, and you can add your new vacuum bags as well. Nothing you have to do on this side. For other models, this would have some sort of solution compartment or tank right there, but nothing with this particular model. Going further down at the bottom, we have the removable ramp tray here, so you can always remove that to clean if you ever notice any dirt or debris on there. We also have a removable tray for the station, so it just gently pops out. Very easy to wash and rinse this out. You can always wipe down in here, check the charging contacts. You can also check the debris channel there for the self empty. Very simple and straightforward. And then you can always just reattach the tray just like that. So they make maintenance very easy for our Yeedi M14 Plus station.